Okay, so we're going for a mic check here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Take me to the bathroom. I have to go pee. Hello, everyone in America right now. I say that knowing that literally everyone is on YouTube right now because, I mean, come on, you're in quarantine. You have nothing better to do. So today, our workplace gave us free meals, and today's meal was from Wendy's. As you can see right here, we had a bunch of 4 for 4s catered to us, and it was like one per person, but come on, I'm not gonna follow that. So today I was inspired to concoct this video, which will be a Wendy's themed mukbang bang. I don't know, I'm white. Sorry, I don't really speak Japanese. Enough of me chattering on about being stupid. We're gonna dive right into this right now. I'd say it'd be the most sensible to start out with the fries, as you can see. Yeah, I bet you can smell the greasy and saltiness right through your phones. Probably not. That's just really special in my eyes. I'm just gonna do a little. There you go. We're getting to the bottom like look. Okay, now we're gonna probably go into like the best feature of a 4 for 4 or Wendy's just in general. The chicky nuggies right there. Chicky nuggy. It's like a really weird Dorito, or maybe like okay, I'm seeing like there we go. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. Okay, now next we're gonna go with my favorite burger there, the double stack. Okay, what the heck? This was in a bag labeled double stack, and look at that is chicken with lettuce and cheese and like what else is on there? I think like there's like mayonnaise. What is that? So I'm just gonna see this as like I'm just gonna eat a giant fat nugget. I get that. No, I don't want to do mayonnaise. You know, maybe if there wasn't like mayonnaise in this stupid leaf in my sandwich, I would actually like this. You know what? You don't have to be special to be special. You know what I mean? I think that's gonna do it here on this ASMR video. Thank you very much for joining me. Stay healthy, drink your fluids. Yeah, that's all I really got.